Qyamat, the Day of Judgment in Islam. Opening shot. A serene landscape with a peaceful sky and soft background music. Narrator. In the Islamic faith, Qyamat, also known as the Day of Judgment, is a significant event that marks the end of the world as we know it. Today, we will explore the concept of Qyamat and its significance in Islam. Cut to various images depicting signs of the Day of Judgment, such as earthquakes, eclipses, and natural disasters. Narrator. According to Islamic teachings, the signs of Qyamat are numerous and can be divided into minor and major signs. Minor signs include the spread of corruption, an increase in immorality, and the neglect of religious obligations. Major signs include the appearance of the Antichrist, Dajjal, the descent of Prophet Jesus, Isa, and the emergence of Ya'juj and Ma'juj, Gog and Magog. Cut to a scholar explaining the Islamic belief regarding the resurrection of the dead. Scholar. On the Day of Judgment, all human beings will be resurrected from their graves to face their ultimate destiny. Every individual will be held accountable for their actions in this life. Cut to scenes depicting people from different walks of life engaged in various activities. Narrator. Islam teaches that on the Day of Judgment, every person will be judged based on their beliefs, actions, and intentions during their time on earth. The scales of justice will be set up, and each person's good deeds and bad deeds will be weighed. Cut to a mosque with people in prayer and the sound of the call to prayer. Narrator. Prayer, charity, and good deeds play a crucial role in Islam, as they are believed to have a significant impact on one's fate on the Day of Judgment. Cut to an interview with a Muslim scholar discussing the concept of paradise, Jannah, and hellfire, Jahannam. Scholar. Islam teaches that those who lived a righteous life, obeyed Allah's commands, and did good deeds will be rewarded with paradise. It is a place of eternal bliss, where believers will be reunited with their loved ones and enjoy the pleasures that surpass worldly imagination. Cut to scenes depicting beautiful landscapes and people engaging in joyful activities. Scholar. Conversely, those who engaged in evil, rejected the truth, and oppressed others will face punishment in Jahannam, the hellfire. It is a place of torment and suffering. Cut to an Imam giving a sermon about preparing for the Day of Judgment. Imam. As Muslims, it is our duty to prepare for Qyamat by leading a life of righteousness, striving to fulfill our religious obligations, and seeking forgiveness for our sins. Closing shot. A group of people performing a collective act of charity. Narrator. Qyamat, the Day of Judgment, serves as a reminder for Muslims to live a purposeful life, constantly striving to do good and seeking Allah's mercy. By embracing the teachings of Islam, we can prepare ourselves for the ultimate day when we will all be held accountable. Please like, share and subscribe HANTS if you have enjoyed video.